Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the SpareBank One app not opening step by step. First, check your internet connection and make sure that it is stable. Then try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the app opens properly. A poor connection can prevent the app from launching. Next, close the app completely. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen, swipe it away, completely closing it. Then go ahead and reopen it again. Sometimes the app fails to open due to temporary glitches. Next, restart your phone to refresh the system and clear any background issues that may be blocking the app. Also, head over to your App Store or your Play Store, search for the app, and then make sure that the app is updated to the latest version from the Google Play Store or App Store. Outdated apps may not open properly. Now, if the issue continues, uninstall the app and reinstall it from the official App Store. This removes corrupted files and installs a fresh version. Then, if it still does not open, the issue may be from the bank server, so wait a few minutes and then try again later. That's how you fix the SpareBank One app not opening. Do not forget to subscribe for more simple and